Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So let us start the new topic called common challenges we face in the industry in ESG reporting. ESG reporting, while crucial for transparency and accountability, represents several challenges that organizations often face. These challenges can vary based on industry, size of the organization, geographical location, and the specific ESG issues relevant to the business. So let us discuss certain common challenges one by one. First one is data collection and the quality. So the challenges related to this are multiple data sources. We gather ESG data from various departments and subsidiaries, which can be complex and time consuming. Also, the data accuracy can be challenged. Ensuring accuracy, completeness, consistency of ESG data across different reporting periods and locations. And most importantly, lack of standardization. So difficulty in standardizing data metrics and definitions across the organization and industry peers. Next challenge is reporting standards and frameworks. So complexity of the standards, this is one of the important challenges. Adhering to multiple reporting frameworks, example GRI, SSB, TCFD, that may face differing requirements and disclosures. Also, keeping up with the evolving regulatory requirements and ensuring alignment with the local and international reporting standards. Next challenge is related to the materiality and relevance. Identification of the materiality issues. So determining which ESG factors are most relevant and significant to the organizations and its stakeholders based on their interest and influences, it can be also a challenge. Also, changing stakeholder expectations. So addressing evolving stakeholder expectations regarding ESG disclosures and transparency can also be a challenge. The next comes integration with business strategy. Strategic alignment. So ensuring ESG reporting aligns with the organization's business strategy and also with the financial reporting. Okay, this can also be a challenge. Financial reporting. Also, we talk about the board and management engagement. Securing adequate engagement and buy-in from senior management and the board of directors also can be a challenge. So next is data transparency and the communication. Clear communication, balancing transparency. So effectively communicating ESG performance and impacts to diversified stakeholders in a clear and understandable manner can be a challenge. Managing the balance between disclosing sufficient information while protecting sensitive or competitive data can also be a challenge. Resource constraints. Next challenge is resource constraints. So for an example, financial resources, allocating sufficient resources, financial and human, to support ESG reporting process and initiative can be a challenge. Expertise and capacities, building internal expertise and capacity in ESG reporting and data management can also be a challenge. So next is external assurance and validation. Independent assurance. Obtaining external assurance to validate ESG disclosures and enhance credibility with the stakeholders can be a challenge. Cost and complexity. Managing the cost and logistic challenges associated with the external assurance processes. And next is related to the benchmarking and performance tracking. Conducting benchmarking against industry peers and best practices to gauge their ESG performance. So comparative analysis can also be a challenge. Also tracking ESG performance over the long term and demonstrating progress against targets and goals. So long term tracking also be a challenge. Then next is emerging ESG issues and trends. Addressing new and emerging ESG risks and opportunities that may impact the organization's operations and reputation can also be an emerging risk or a challenge. Also, leveraging technology and data analytics to improve ESG data management and reporting capabilities. So technological advancements also can be a challenge. Then next comes global scope and the local context. In this, we can say adapting ESG reporting to meet regional regulatory requirements and cultural expectations. Also managing ESG risk and disclosure across global supply chain and the contractors or subcontractors can also be a challenge. So how to overcome these ESG reporting challenges? Let us discuss one by one. We need the commitment from the leadership, secure support from senior management and the board to prioritize ESG reporting. Prioritize the ESG reporting and also integrate it with the strategic goals. Integrate the ESG reporting with this strategic goals. Also enhance data management. So invest in robust data management systems and processes to ensure reliable and transparent ESG data collection and reporting. Also stakeholder engagement is very important subject to overcome the ESG reporting challenges. Engage with the stakeholders regularly to understand their expectations and communicate ESG performance effectively. The next comes capacity building. Develop internal capabilities through trainings and development programs to enhance ESG reporting expertise and knowledge. Last is continuous improvement. To adopt a process of continuous improvement to refine ESG reporting practices that will be based on the feedback received through feedback mechanism, the emerging trends and also the best practices. So adopt a process of continuous improvement. Okay. So by addressing these challenges systematically, the organizations can improve their ESG reporting practices and also enhancing stakeholder trust, drive sustainable business practices aligned with long-term value creation. Thank you very much, friends. Let us start the new topic.